Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by powering the Ti-36x Pro and confirming basic modes. Press on, then check the top row, set DEG or RAD depending on your problem, choose float or a fixed decimal precision. Once set, use the two-line display to view both expression and result. This prevents entry errors. Make sure arrow keys move the cursor so you can insert or delete without retyping. This saves time on long expressions. Next, we'll enter numbers and functions for calculations. Now you enter expressions deliberately so the calculator follows the right order. Use parentheses for nested operations and stack functions like sin, ln, x when needed. Use the fraction and root templates for exact results. Power and inverse keys produce precise forms. Once done, press equals to evaluate and use the answer key to reuse results. Make sure to use the math and second menus to convert units. Change fraction/decimal forms or access equation-solving tools. These speed up complex work. Finish by applying advanced operations. Use the math menu for numeric integration and solve for equations, and remember to store key values with SDO and recall them with RCL to avoid re-entry. Once you complete a workflow, review the stack or history to verify intermediate steps. If something goes wrong, like an error message or unexpected result, first check mode settings such as DEG versus RAD, ensure all parentheses are balanced, and if needed, perform a reset. This clears configuration mistakes without hardware repair.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.